I'm Adrian Russell. I've worked for Royal Wolf for 14 years. I'm the National Production Manager. TOMRA was a very special and unusual project. TOMRA is a reverse recycling facility, so you put your bottles in and it gives you, either money out or some sort of tokens, etc. I work in a modification industry where a lot of the stuff is bespoke. So we're talking about new client comes in, we build 1 or 2 containers, and in that we get our guys to do a variety of jobs. TOMRA was a little bit different when you're talking about that quantity of containers, almost 700 containers, but in that you get efficiencies, and that's really what it was about, large quantity, short time frames, and working from guys from the floor, from designing and drafting and engineering, all the way through to the client and all the way up to EGM level, really. So it was a lot of people involved with the project. So we went from, say, a general staff of about 9 tradespeople on the floor to about 40. It's a lot of movements for us. When we were talking about, several containers per month we normally achieve, we're talking about upwards of 48 containers a week. So a lot of movements happening, a lot of people need to be aware of what's going on. So yeah, there was a lot more safety involved with that side of it. What's really good is actually when you go to travel in other places, like if you go to New South Wales, to Moorebank, our office down there, and the people in the office actually say, we've been using this recycling facility, and they tell you all about it. It's quite interesting, and a lot of people use them almost religiously. It's actually very rewarding to make sure that, what your product does, the end users actually use it.